In this video, we are going to learn how to use the corner command. Here is the command in the ribbon. First of all, what is the functioning of corner? Corner commands helps you to have the intersection between two objects. Let's start with the demonstration. Just go to the profile. Now, if I want the corner of this line with this line, so for that just go to the corner command, and here we have to select the object. First select this line and then this line. It will give you the corner between these two objects. This is how corner works. Now let's check this on the arc. I'm going to make an arc like this and a line like this. Now go to the corner command and it will give you the corner between these two objects. This is how corner works. Let's understand the advanced part of the same. Just go to arc. Now I'm going to make an arc. Just go to the line. Now the requirements has been changed for now. Suppose if I just go to the corner and I need the corner of this arc with this portion, with the right hand side portion, not with the left hand side portion. Okay, so for that just go to the corner, then we have to select this object, then this line from here. Now you can see this has been taken the corner from this portion. Just undo this, and if I want the left hand side of this, so for that just go to the corner command again and select this one and left hand side of this. So you can see this is how it works. So this is the tip or trick regarding the corner from this demonstration, like how you can select the right hand side or left hand side of the second object. So that is all about the corner command. I hope you have enjoyed the learnings of the corner command. Please like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.